Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to write a program to display two decimal places using Rust programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. I'm using play.rust-lang.org as my online Rust compiler. It is free to use. So fn main, it is the starting point of every Rust program. We have here the begin, left curly bracket, and then I declare a variable x, and then I have a value of 34.1697. To have a decimal places, we have here let x, format exclamation point, open and close parentheses, double quotation, curly bracket, colon, dot 2x. So this command will allow us to have two decimal places and then print ln exclamation point to display. We have here curly bracket comma s, and then we close. Let us run the code to see the output. So we have here 34.17. So 34.16, we have here 9. It will run it off to the nearest 10, so that's why it is 17. Another example, let's say let us remove this one. 451 point, let's say 9, no? 451.679. Let us click the run button. So we have here 451.68 the output. Okay guys, so we know the code is working perfectly as expected. Thank you so much guys for watching. This is the end of our tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial if you have some questions, clarifications, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you very much for your support. Your support, I really appreciate it. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.